Hey guys, today we're taking a look at the COB Rechargeable Portable Work Light. This is from YZONI. I want to thank them for sending this over to me to do a quick box opening and check it out and let you know what I think about it. Let's tear into it and see what we get. Paperwork and the light. And the USB-A to USB-C cord and the light itself. And what's really cool about this one is it has the stand as well as magnets on this side. Also, check it out. You can have two lights pointing one direction, or one light pointing one way and another light pointing the other way. That is cool. I do like that. You don't have to burn them both at the same time either. We'll get into that in a moment. Anyway, there you go. You got something magnetic that you need to stick this to. You'll be able to stick it to metal just like that. Point it on both sides or point it out. Just like so. You can swivel that around. Just like that. And it does have a total of 2,500 lumens. So that will light up the area pretty good. We'll turn the light off here in a moment and check that out. Right now, let's finish checking this out. Look here on the back, you have a little rubber flap. Underneath that rubber flap, you have a USB-A port and a USB-C port. USB-A port, you can plug that in. Also has the battery indicator, as you see right there. But you can use your USB cord and charge other devices, just like so. And there you go. USB-C port is used to charge the light up itself. Push power button, and you have a super bright dual light. Push it again, you just have your upper light. Push it again, you have your lower light. Then you have both lights on a lower setting. And then you have your red strobe emergency light. Be good for if you're carrying this in the car and you're broke down on the side of the road. You can set this out to give other motorists a heads up that something's going on. You can rotate it 360 degrees, as you see. And as I showed you a while ago, you can do it like that, or close it all the way down like that and have a light on each side. There's your magnets on the bottom. Now, let's turn the lights off and see how bright it really is. Turn it on. There is the brightest one. That is with both lights on. That is 2,500 lumen. There is the upper light. Lower light. Both lights only on the lower setting. And then your red strobe. Very impressive. It's really bright. And as I said, you do have the power indicator on the back of it. So I'll tell you what, if you are looking for a nice small work light that is perfect for small areas and putting it in small locations where you can't really get to other things, up under the hood of the car. If you're, a lot of times I have put metal cabinets together and it's dark when you get inside one and start putting the screws in there. You can stick that right up there on the side and light up your work area. Nice little light. It's definitely a keeper. I like it. Hey, if you want to check this out for yourself, I'll put a link down in the description where you can do so. Also, you might want to check out this playlist over here. Could be something over there that you would be interested in. Hey, I appreciate you watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, y'all.